Welcome to Anglo Lesson 1. Learn the Amharic language in only 16 hours for free. My intention is to revolutionize or change radically Amharic teaching methodology. Let me try to explain some of the features you see on my computer. This is Amharic alphabet reading and handwriting by Balaine Laike Gabriel Sadik. You are going to see this page several times until you master Amharic alphabet reading. On the left you will see original letters group 1, and then you see D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. D is for dialect. Dialect is the name given to the sound and the structure of a single letter. So dialect 1 is ha, dialect 2 is who, dialect 3 is he. It goes on like that. Dialect 7 is ho. Now I gave numbers to each letter. You can see here, if you go down to the end, you can see all the letters are numbered until number 34. So number 34 is V. Now we are arriving at group 2. Group 2, K, Kwa, Ku, Qui, Qua, Que. You can see here. Group 2 is nothing except that Kwa is the extension of K, Gwa Gu Giga is the extension of Ga, Kwa Kui Qui Qua Que is the extension of Ka, and Ha is also the extension of Ha, Hu, Hui, Hua, Hue. We don't use most of these letters, I'm sorry. Let's see one by one. The first one, Kwa, Ku, never use. Qui, never use. Qua, we use sometimes. Qua, qua. Que, sometimes. Let's go down there. Guo, gue, sometimes. Gu, never. Gui, no. Gua, yes. Gue, sometimes. Just like zague. So it goes on like that. All the letters which are not marked are not used at all. So you don't have to worry about these letters because most of Ethiopians, even most of Ethiopians, do not know these letters. Can you imagine that? This is group 2. Now let me take you to group 3. Group 3 is nothing except that le, la, moi, roi, soi, schwa, something like that. Let's say le. You see the sign or the tag on le, which changes the first dialect le into loa. Can you see the tag or the sign put on le to change it into loa? And on me, you can see the same tag, the same sign. If you go down to each letter here, ra, swa, shwa, bwa, we are using the same letter to the end. So this is simply the extensions of some original letters. Okay, hold on. Let me take you back. So these are the three groups that you are expected to learn or to memorize, if you like. The other thing is people usually learn this language by reading horizontally. That means ha, hu, he, ha, he, hu, ho. Well, that's not actually good, but in my opinion, it's better to learn them vertically as well. So the first dialect is ha, le, ha, me. The second dialect is hu, lu, hu, mu. Just follow me until I finish the second row. The, sorry, not the second row. Oh, okay. Hu, lu, hu, mu, su, ru, su, shu, ku, chu, hu, nu, nyu, o, ku, hu, wu, u, zu, zhu, yu, du, gu, tu, chu, pu, su, su, fu, pu, vu. You see, the pronunciation of the second dialect is almost identical throughout, um, excepting that the original letter is changed, it's also changed. I mean, the original letter, if you instead of saying fa, you say fu, pa, pu, va, vu. So throughout you can see the pronunciation of each letter, and the third one is the same thing. So tsi, fi, pi, v, and the fourth one is also. Let me take it from the beginning. Okay, the fourth one, dialect 4, is ha, la, ha, ma. You see, your mouth opening is always identical. Ha, la, ha, ma, and so on. The fifth dialect, he, le, he, me. The sixth dialect, hu, le, hu, me. You see, the pronunciation for each dialect is the same throughout. The dialect 7 is ho, lo, ho, mo. So this is the Amharic alphabet in all, and these are the letters that you are going to study them. It's so simple. The other thing is maybe you can look at the second dialect. Can you see the sign added to dialect 2 in order to change it from dialect 1 to dialect 2? Ha is added a kind of sign, a tag. Hu, it became hu. That letter, hu, without that sign will be ha. So here you can see throughout, in order to change the first letter into the dialect number 1 into dialect number 2, there is only one similar kind of tag or sign throughout, from ha to per until the end. Let me take you throughout, okay? Hu, lu, you can see here, su. There is only one letter which is unique. I will take you down now. Again, su, ru, su, shu, ku, tu, chu, nu. You see the sign you put on each letter in order to change from dialect 1 to dialect 2. Okay, dialect F, number 32, Fu. You see that sign is put on F, and then Po, Vu. We end up on Vu. So next time I'll show you how you can remember all these dialects very easily, because I have already given them numbers to referral numbers. That means the first original letters, which is shaded here, ha, le, ha, and then D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So you coordinate, say for group 1, I mean original letter number 4, me. On dialect 6, if you look at dialect 6, me is me, like that. Dialect 5 or sa, dialect 7, so is like that. Next time I'll show you very easily, and you can keep it on your smartphone, and everywhere you go you can have a look at it and study within 1 or 2 hours time. That's it. That's how you learn how to read Amharic alphabet. And then if you are able to read Amharic alphabet, then you start referring to Amharic English dictionary, and then you will be able to read every word written in Amharic and get the translation in English immediately. No problem at all. So for today, this is lesson 1, just introduction to you that there are 3 groups of Amharic alphabet. The second and the third group are not so important, and some of them are not useful at all. So see you next time. Please share, like, and subscribe to Angloa Lesson 1. Thank you for watching and listening as well. Learn the Amharic language in only 16 hours for free. That's all for today. Bye.